Today, I'll be unboxing Mi Watch Lite from Xiaomi. I will also tell you its key features so you would know if Mi Watch Lite is for you. I got this for around 2,500 pesos here in the Philippines or around $50 at the time of this recording. Inside the box, it has a manual, charger, and the Mi Watch Lite itself. For the OS compatibility, this is compatible with at least Android 5.0 and iOS 10 or above. These are the key features of Mi Watch Lite. It has a built-in standalone GPS. This is so helpful because you don't have to bring your phone every time you go for a jogging. It has 120 plus watch faces and also supports emoji. You can easily download your preferred watch faces and apply it to your watch instantly. It has 11 sports modes such as outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle, walking, trekking, trail running, pool swimming, open water, and cricket. Mi Watch Lite is also water resistant up to 50 meters. This means that Mi Watch Lite has a waterproof rating up to 50 meters in depth. It also has a swimming stroke recognition. It has 1.4-inch colorful HD touchscreen. It is a really nice feature for its price. Majority of people would appreciate the display unless you came from an AMOLED display or OLED display smartwatch. It also has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Mi Watch will check your heart rate automatically and you can set the frequency in the settings by every 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. It also has a sleep monitoring. This feature will detect your light sleep, deep sleep, and when you're awake. On my review, I'll be focusing on sleep monitoring, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my posts. The battery of Mi Watch Lite is up to 9 days. You can fully charge the Mi Watch Lite for 2 hours and you can use it up to 9 days. These are the complete specs of Mi Watch Lite. It has 16MB of RAM and 256 of storage. Take note, you can't store music here. For the display resolution, we have 320 by 320 pixels with a maximum brightness of 350 nits. And the material used is the standard watch glass with anti-fingerprint coating. The device is also water and dust resistant. And for the battery capacity, it has 230 mAh and you can fully charge the device up to 2 hours. And you can use it up to 9 days with normal mode. For the connectivity, we have Bluetooth 5.1. And for the companion app, you can use Mi Fit or Xiaomi Wear app. And the device is only 35 grams. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my posts.